Next again we have as a summary question. Let's read the paragraph. It says, the dramatic turn came hours after Greece missed the debt payment to the IMF, leaving Greece effectively in default and raising the pressure on the country to find a solution to its rapidly escalating financial squeeze. With its banking system shut down and access to further rate cut-off, Greece faced the prospect of further debt defaults and possibility of being forced to abandon the euro as its currency. The paragraph is essentially talking about Greece's financial crisis. Let's read the options given. Option A says Greece may not have enough money to meet its international financial obligation and is facing the risk of losing the right to use the euro as its currency. Option A looks like the correct answer because the paragraph is also essentially talking about how Greece is defaulting on the debt and it is at risk, and it might also lose euro as its currency. Hence option A can become correct. Let's look at other options also. Option B says Greece is in financial crisis as is at risk of losing its financial identity. Financial identity has not really been talked about, so this cannot be the answer. Option C says Greece is not in a condition to repay any of its loans and that has it taken to maintain its currency. Now the paragraph is not saying that Greece is not in a condition to pay any of its loans. All the paragraph has said that it has defaulted on the payment to IMF. Option D says, in view of the financial difficulties faced by Greece, it is not unusual for the country to not be able to repay its debts. The view of what financial difficulties Greece has and how they are resulting in Greece not being able to pay its debt is not really mentioned, and hence D cannot also be the answer. Correct answer to this question will become option A.